Hello friends, today our topic is rules and regulations of Kho. Rules, principles governing conduct within a particular of activity, and along with regulations, directive made and maintained by an authority is called regulations of relationship between a pot and a whole is called of Kho. An Indian game of tag played with two teams of 12 players is called Kho. The rules and regulations of Kho are as listed below. Rules, principles governing conduct within a particular area of activity is called rules. Regulations, directive made and maintained by an authority is called regulations of relationship between pot and a whole is called of Kho. An Indian game of tag played with two teams of 12 players is called Kho, or as listed below means or as marked under. Each team consists of 12 players. Each means every one. Every team. Teams means group, side or squad. Consist, include. Players, 12 players. Players means a person taking part in sports or game is called players, in which two teams of 9 players play against each others. Against means oppositions. Each other, each of two or more players. Both teams play in 4 turns. Each turn has 9 minutes durations. Both together, teams, group, side or skirt. Play, take part, turns, rotation, each, every one. Turn rotation has 9 minutes durations. Durations means the time during which something continues. When two turns is over, this is known as innings. When means at what times. Turns is over means continue to run properly. Known means familiar. Innings, each division of a game during which both sides a turn at chasings. On the basis of toss, the captains choose the running or chasing. On the basis means according to toss, the tossing of a coin to make a decision between two alternatives. Captains, the leader of a team, especially in sports, choose the running or chasing means choose, deciding between two or more possibilities. Running and the action or movement of a runner. Chasing, pursue in order to catch or catch up with. Chasing team takes sitting positions means the uh, dis, the chasing means to catch up with. Team, group, side, skirt, sitting positions, the form of kneeling where the thighs are near horizontal and the buttocks sit back on the heels is called sitting positions. The chaser should not cross the center lane. Chaser, a person or thing that chases, should not, you should not do things like that. Cross means intersecting lines. Center lane, midway. The runner teams send players in group of 3 players. Runner teams, the runner who are inside the field for their turn of defending are known as defenders or runners. Send, dispatch. Players, a person taking part in game. Group of 3 players. Group means a number of players who is taking part in the games. Others players of running team will wait for their turn in entry zone area. Other players, a player or thing that is counterpart of someone. Running team wait for their turns means the defender group stay away for their rotation. Entry zone area. It is a meant for the runners to take entry in the court for their defense. When the runner team players declared out. When, at what time? Runner team players means defender players declared out means defender players announced not at home. The players should sit in the lobby according to their group means the declared out players should be sit in a waiting row depending to their group of 3 players. The substitutions can be done according to situations. Substitutions means exchange can be done to bring to completions according to situation to know how to behave. The points are awarded by the legal touch of the chaser to the running players. Points to give as due. Legal touch of the running players relating to rules and regulations come into contact with defender players. Chaser team players try to hold the running players while passing co from one player to another. Chaser team players try to hold means the players sitting in the squares attempt to grasp while passing co from one player to another's mean running players while passing co from one player to another's. Chaser's player can change his direction by touching the pole or at the free zone area. Chaser's players means the players who chase the runners can alter his course by touching the coco pole or some area is left free for the chasers to run around the row. Runners defend themselves from the chasers means the runners who are inside the limits for their turn of running they can protect themselves from the attackers that is called a active chasers. The runners can move in a zigzag, dodging and running behind the chasers. The runners can move in zigzag means the runners who are inside the limits for their turn of running can proceed so as to move right and left alternatively is called zigzag. Dodging and running behind their chasers means by sudden quick movement and moving to the far side from an attacker that is called active chaser. As soon as the first group of 3 players gets out, the new group of 3 runners enters the playfield before 2 afterward they are chased. Means as soon as at the earliest moment the first group of 3 players get out means 3 or there are 3 groups out one of the 3 groups players announced legal touch. The new group of 3 players runners enters mean the second group of 3 runners go into a place. The playfield before the two co afterward they are chased means the area within which a game is played at a later they are run after. There are few types of folds. They are as listed below. Means there are number of folds. Means number of kinds of illegal touch or marked as under. Earlier kho without touch means when the sitting chased gets up before proper getting kho is called earlier kho without touch. Changing of directions means give kho to another sitting chasers facing the other side by touching and uttering of kho. Line cut early get up means when chaser cuts the square line, cross lanes or center lane during chasing opponent. Line cut early and get up. Line cut up means when the sitting chased get up before proper getting kho. Kho not spoken means if the chasers while giving kho to sitting chasers turning of shoulder mean changing the directions of the shoulder. Late kho when active chaser delays in the touch for giving kho to another is called late kho. A player has to give minus kho who continue further means a violation of directional fault in which the chased cannot make the running players out less kho is passed back to two teammates or touch to a pole is called a player has to give minus kho. When both teams have same points at the end of the game, then extra inning shall be played. Means to break the tie of the points at the end of the games. Extra innings shall be played. Mean then at that time is the extension of the game is necessary where time is compared to make one player out means at that place to find out the similarities of the player out. The team with the less timing will be declared winners means the group scored taken less time took out the opponent player announced the champion or the winner of the match. Thanks and have a nice day.